What should the annual cost of vehicle ownership be for you? Do you get that feeling that you've been overpaying for automotive service and repair? You just don't know by how much? In the US, the annual cost per vehicle is $537. And in Canada, the annual cost per vehicle for service and repair is $796. Although there's a strong correlation between the age of the vehicle and the cost, vehicles that are older than 7 years only cost an additional $150 a year for service and repair. Annual cost of ownership for a vehicle should not exceed 7% of your household income, and that includes auto insurance and gasoline. Canadians are paying the most for auto repair and service in the province of Alberta and southern Saskatchewan, and Americans in the US are paying the most for auto service and repair in the state of New Jersey and the state of California. Don't get Beep for service.